Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Blender. So firstly, open up any preferred browser on your PC, search for blender.org, and you will be redirected to this page. In order to download the software, you will need to click on this download button located at the middle of the page. There will be a drop down beneath it that you can use to select the preferred version. Usually, it automatically selects the version for you, but if it doesn't, you can click on this button and you will be able to choose the right one. So, if you're on Mac, you need to check if you are using the new model that has the M1 or M2 chip or the older one. If you are using one of the newer models, you have to select the second one. But if you're on an older Mac with an Intel chip, you will need to choose the one above. Once you are done choosing your platform, click on the download button and Blender will start downloading. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.